Okay, here's the end of the day. It's about 5 o'clock Saturday afternoon. Got the solar tracker frame hanging on the pole. I just took out about, I think, 7 more trees. I got hung up with that one down there. I'll take those out. And I got about 6 in here. Then I'll have a nice solar window. And that double looking deal you see there, that's probably going to go tomorrow. So that's it. Been a busy week here. Alright, that's all for now. More to come. Okay, this is Sunday afternoon, about 3:30. We've just modified the solar panels. We set the actuators where they need to be for how many degrees I want them to go north, south, east, west. Now we're going to load the panels up on top, bolt them to the frame. I'm going to go fire up the time-lapse camera because that's the only way we can do it. So I'll just capture this on the time-lapse and hopefully the rain will stay away for another hour or so. So I'll be back and hopefully all 6 of these panels will be on. I'll be back in a while, hopefully. Okay, so far so good. We're out here working in a mild drizzly rain. We got 4 panels on and 2 to go. I can't believe it. This is actually one of the fastest ones we've ever put up. And between me and the Marky G, we've probably installed, I don't even know, maybe 15 solar trackers, 16. We've done a bunch of them. This one's hands down the easiest. And we had to drill these panels because see how far they stick out? These are 72-inch cells, 72 cell panels. Alright, I'll be back. We're almost done. Okay, the rain is upon us. It's now a little after 5 p.m. We started hanging the panels at 3:30. They're all on. It is now raining pretty good. I'll give you a quick shot of the front. Every time. There you go. I am so happy. Oh, we forgot to take the sticker off the solar panel. There you go. Thank you, Marky G.
No problem, brother. Anytime.
So I now got 4 of these babies. That should give me about 6,400 watts of solar, I believe. Yep, everything's getting soaked, including the camera. Alright, so I'm going to cut this off. Whole lot of more work got to go on. I got to run the wiring, hook up the charge controller, hook up the fuse box, run the conduit, the relay switch over there. This is going to take a couple, 3 more days. But they're hanging, the hard part's done. Alright, over and out. Okay, there's the parking test. North-south azimuth adjusted. East-west, 40 degrees was perfect. And not hitting the ground. Alright, I just thought I would show that. That worked out fantastic. All the other guys are sleeping here because it's raining. Alright, that's it. I'm up for real this time. That's it for part 1 of the install.